Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the DLL missing or error code 126 when you try to install a 5M mod for GTA 5. You try to load it, but you got error code 126. So after I tried to search some forum, some discussion, I can found that this fix can this solution can fix my problem. So here we go. You can try to download media feature pack for an edition of Windows 10 version. Here you can download it based on your version. There is a 89 or 32-bit version or 64-bit version. You can try to download for free in Microsoft official website. And also you can consider to deactivate your antivirus and try to reinstall the 5M. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.